Hello and welcome to my channel Making Money and Finance. I have a new video for you today. We'll try to address the question, what is affiliate marketing? How can you make money with affiliate marketing? Before I begin, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. I'm going to explain to you how I made money with affiliate marketing and how you can replicate this model to make money like I do, which is anywhere from $29,000 to $54,000 a month with affiliate marketing and using only free traffic. You don't need a website for it, you don't need to create any product, you don't need any money to start, and it provides you the flexibility to work whenever and wherever you want. Therefore, you are free to work on this product whenever you want and from wherever you want. Therefore, if you have no prior experience, affiliate marketing is essentially the quickest option for you to get started making money online. I'm going to show you in this video how you can start making money with affiliate marketing in 2022 even if you have no prior experience and simply use free traffic. Now let's talk about what affiliate marketing actually means. Affiliate marketing entails receiving remuneration in the form of a predetermined commission or payment for each sale that you bring about on a certain website. For illustration's sake, let's say a company is selling their yoga instruction course for $2,000 each, and they are offering you a commission of 50% on every transaction. If you are confident that you will be able to bring in new clients as a result of this training, what you do is obtain that link and make an effort to direct yoga instructors and yoga enthusiasts to the course in question. You will make a profit of $1,000 each time someone buys that yoga training after clicking on your referral link. In this instance, this makes it an ideal choice for people who are just starting out. There is no requirement for you to develop a sales page. It is not necessary for us to first develop our own product or service and then provide that product or service to customers. There is no requirement for you to provide customer assistance or do any of the laborious and tedious work. To generate money, though, all you need to do is spread the word about your affiliate link to other individuals. Whenever someone makes a purchase by going through your unique link. Now, before we get into how you can actually generate more than $2,000 per day in passive income with affiliate marketing, let's get started by talking about step 1, which is selecting the appropriate affiliate offer. When it comes to selecting the appropriate offer for affiliate marketing, many people will give you the piece of advice that you should go with something that you are passionate about. However, this strategy is ineffective due to the fact that there are obviously some niches that get better results and more sales. In addition, there are several subfields that bring in a considerably higher income. It's possible that you have a strong interest in writing books. However, if there isn't a good affiliate program associated with writing books, or if you can't find someone to buy some affiliate program in the book writer's niche, it's probably because it's difficult to sell. In that case, it would be foolish to pursue something that you have such a strong interest in. Here are a few niches in affiliate marketing that are currently quite popular and provide remarkable results. In particular at this very time. Lifestyle that comes in at number 1 in the specialized market. This includes everything that has to do with luxury fashion, jewelry, and vacation. The second place is the business of finance. This covers everything there is to know about stocks, investing, and money. The technology market comes in at number 3. This includes anything to do with software and hosting for websites. The fourth specialized area is the kitchen. This includes anything and everything that has to do with the kitchen and eating. Additionally, there is the specialized market for cryptocurrencies, non-fiat currencies, and metaverses. And after you've made your selection from among these 5 thriving markets that I've outlined for you, the next step is to focus your attention on becoming an expert in that particular market. Next, move on to the second phase in the process. The next thing you need to do is select the appropriate affiliate offer. You have the option of selecting certain affiliate networks or some affiliate marketplaces like clickbank.com. Alternatively, you could simply go to Google and search for your niche. In addition, only enter keywords for the affiliate program. However, if you do choose to market some offer in the technology sector, you've made the decision to focus on the technology market, and one of your goals is to market software as a service. After that, you can go to VIII and browse their product marketplace there. And after you've arrived at their platform, you can start looking for affiliate links that you can advertise. You will also be shown a variety of tools that you may market as an affiliate, and you will be able to check out the many deals that are available on their site. One of their offerings, for instance, can pay you up to $50 for referring a new client to them. You should expect others to pay you an average fee of $12,000 per transaction. People are going to hand you a commission check for $25. You can locate one that is willing to offer you a commission of 30% to do business with them. As you can see, there is more than one option, and depending on which one you choose, you will receive a varied amount of money. You will just pick a category from the list of options that they provide for you to choose from. For example, social media. And then let's assume you want to advertise an offer concerning social media, so you learn about the offer. You're going to proceed by selecting that particular link to click on. You should expect it to focus mostly on providing you with information regarding the affiliate program in question. And on this platform, you can acquire knowledge in addition to the mode of payment, which is either using PayPal or Stripe. However, if neither of those are available in your country, they do have additional methods available as well. After that, all you have to do is pick the category in which you are most interested in concentrating your efforts. Locate the product you wish to advertise and then just press the promote button. Now, when you have viewed an advertisement, they will produce a whole affiliate link for you that you can copy with the click of a button once it has been generated. Now, because your affiliate link probably appears jumbled and lengthy, I was wondering if you wanted to make it a little bit more appealing and clickable. If so, all you have to do is go to bit.ly, paste the link into the box on the site, and click the shorten button. Now the length of your affiliate link will appear to be shorter. The fourth step is to obtain free visitors by utilizing your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing provides you with the opportunity to at long last make money. You see, if you ask someone about how you should actually promote through the affiliate links, almost everyone will tell you that you need to run ads on Facebook or Google or any other form of paid traffic, and that you need to spend thousands of dollars on that paid traffic. This response is given by 99% of the people you ask. There are a number of better ways to increase visitors to your website without spending any money and making a lot more money. Rather than wasting money on paid advertisements, I'm going to show you how to generate free traffic and earn a great deal more money. Therefore, the anonymous YouTube automation channels that I run are the primary source of free traffic that I utilize. You may drive free traffic to your site from YouTube itself, and then at the end of the month, YouTube will pay you a certain amount of money based on how many people watched your videos on their platform. This is the beauty of YouTube. Through your affiliate program, rather than having to spend money on traffic, you will actually be compensated to generate traffic. The sixth step is to finally begin pushing your affiliate link, specifically to advertise that affiliate link on the new YouTube automated channel you created. All that is required of you is to publish a post on the community forum that has a call to action in your affiliate link. Affiliate marketing presents an opportunity for financial gain. And in all honesty, it is the way that I myself promote my affiliate links through my YouTube automated channel. If you learned anything from this video, please share it with a friend, press the like button, and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.